Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding and different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So basically here the requirement is very simple. So here we can see that month year column, and this is the slicer out, sorry, this is the measure. So and this is also customer count. Okay, and I have one slicer here. It contains like a different values, yes, no, not required and all. So here the requirement is based on the selection. For example, if I select yes means I need to display the, so for the July I want to display August, for August I want to display so September. Okay, something like that. I need to add 1 month for the existing row. So let me select it. I'm just clicking on yes. Now you can see for the July, August, September. So for January, so February 2002, so February, March 2002, something like that. Okay, so I'm getting by writing the measure and all. Okay, so for whenever I click on no or not required, I need to display as it is, like July means July only, August means August only. Okay, whenever I select yes only, then I need to change the 1 month edition only. So remaining selection, so it's not showing, we need to show as it is. Okay, so now it's working fine, there's no problem, but I do not want this column because as a result so this table I need to display only test result as well as customer count only. I do not want to display so this month here. For example, let me remove this column from this table. Now you can see nothing. Okay, my entire output it's gone, because what I'm doing, I'm trying to calculate this measure based on the month year column. So whenever I remove this month year column, so my entire report is output is gone, it's not working properly. Okay, again I'm doing and now it's coming fine, but whenever I remove, it's going wrong my output, because based on this column only I'm deriving this measure. And so instead of removing, I'll try to hide this column. Let me do that. Okay, first let me select yes. Now so select the table visual, so try to rename it. So here we can see rename for this visual, so you can give any name, like I'm just giving T, that's it. Now I'm trying to so move to the left side. Now you can see, so it's not looks good report at all, right? So let me do some formattings. So go to the format pane here for column headers. So let me off the word wrap. So still it's not looks good. Again go to the values. So go to the word wrap. So where is word wrap? That's it. Now you can see, so my output looks good. Okay, even though there's no column, so like even though I'm hiding the column like month and year, so it's looks good. Now you can do whatever the selection you want, it's working fine. See, whenever I click on yes means it's displaying from August, whenever I click on no means so it is displaying July. So likewise we can hide the columns if you want. So first we need to rename like a single letter, and later we have to change the column headers as well as the values also. Just we need to off the word wrap. Okay, so we'll try to see what kind of expressions we have written. Go to the demo measures, test results, try to open it. Now you can see, so here basically I have declared some couple of variables. So in the first variable I'm trying to so capture the whatever the slicer we have selected, and in the second variable so I'm writing some if condition. So based on the selection, if it is yes means I want to do so ranking is equal to ranking plus 1. So if it is not so yes, I need to give whatever the ranking, same thing I am returning. And finally I'm just passing this rank value as a, so for the month year column. So then I'm returning this one. Okay, it's very simple as that. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So that's all for today's video. So going forward I'll try to come up with the different types of complex business logic, so that it helps to understand how the DAX looks like. So that's all for today's video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.